Myself Ingraji Nirzari. I am from Division C and my roll number is 265. Today I am going to discuss the topic of ecosystem. Introduction. Environment and its changes affect the living world gracefully. The science of studying completely the factors and effects due to change in the environment has come into the existence since the last 100 years. This science is called ecology. What is ecosystem? The environment and the living world in it have close relationship with one another. The frame or the formation of a living world or organism is called an ecosystem. For example, birds fly in the sky and so the air-covered environment is more suitable to them and they pull on or maintain their lives as per the environment of air. It is suitable for the fish and aquatic plants to stay in water and so they maintain their lives on the water. Vegetation maintain their lives on the land and in water. Types of ecosystem. There are two types of ecosystem, natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. A natural ecosystem is divided into two parts, terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Then terrestrial ecosystem is further divided into three parts, ecosystem in deserts, ecosystem in forest, ecosystem in grassland. And aquatic ecosystem is divided into five parts, ecosystem in streams, ecosystem in ponds, ecosystem in rivers, ecosystem in ocean and ecosystem in lakes. Artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem is divided into three parts, aquarium ecosystem, agrofarm ecosystem, space ecosystem. Beside this, there are another two types of ecosystem, energy-based ecosystem and volume-based ecosystem. Energy-based ecosystem is further divided into two parts, ecosystem directly involved with sun, ecosystem indirectly involved with sun. And volume-based ecosystem is divided into three subtypes, microecosystem, medium ecosystem and macro ecosystem. Now, aquatic ecosystem. In the ecosystem of aquatic vegetation, the abiotic components are as follows: water, nutrition, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. In this aquatic ecosystem, the producers can be taken as follow: stubs with the roots floating on the water, freely floating small shrub and freely floating micro shrubs. These components of a producer conserve energy and release oxygen. In this case, small living species, insect or worms stick to the roots or leaves of the plants. Hence, the primary consumer are the small insects or the worms. These insects or worms become the food for the small fishes, frog, etc. Hence, these aquatic animals form the second consumer. These small fishes and worms become the food of big fishes, tortoise, crocodile. Hence, fishes and worms become the food of big fishes and they form the third type of consumer. Note, these big fishes becomes the food of the human being, but this cannot be taken in this aquatic ecosystem. Some of these living species die and form the rubbish in the water. The bacteria and modules depend on the carcass of this organism in water and produce carbon dioxide, which is utilized by moss, and the remaining carbon dioxide mixes with the atmosphere and is utilized for the respiration of fishes. For health nutrition, elements like carbon, phosphorus and nitrogen can be obtained in very little proportion and hence the production of moss remains limited. And from this end, equilibrium is established in the ecosystem. Also, some chemical element can also be obtained. Here is the diagram of ecosystem. Thank you.